Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on algebraic sentences. Algebraic sentences are very similar to number sentences because the ideas involved are the same. The minor difference occurs because we use letters or pronumerals instead of symbols. They are also called equations. Solve the following algebraic sentences for the given pronumerals. So the first one is m plus 6 equals 11. Now that's an equation, and there's an equal sign. That means both sides are equal. So in order to keep both sides equal or balanced, you have to perform the same operation for both sides. And here is the clue, which I mentioned a few videos ago. If you have a plus 6, then you subtract 6 from both sides. Because that's a plus sign, you do the opposite operation. So subtract 6 from both sides, which we've done here. See? There and there. So the equation is still balanced because we've done the same thing to both sides. That simplifies to m, and 11 minus 6 is 5, so m equals 5. Y minus 4 equals 7. Because that's a minus sign, add 4 to both sides, because addition is the opposite operation to subtraction. So we've added 4 here and we've added 4 here. The equation is still balanced. That simplifies to y. 7 plus 4 is 11, so y equals 11. 3 times k equals 18. That is multiplication. So because it's multiplication, we divide both sides by 3. Because division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So if you divide that side by 3 and that side by 3, the equation is still balanced. If you cancel the 3's out, you get k on that side. 3 divided into 18 goes 6, so k equals 6. 6h plus 7 equals 61. That's a plus sign, so subtract 7 from both sides, which we've done here and there. See, we've subtracted the 7. The left-hand side simplifies to 6h. The right-hand side simplifies to 54. 6 times h is multiplication, so we divide both sides by 6 because the inverse of multiplication is division. So we've done that there, which keeps the equation balanced. The 6's cancel. The left-hand side is h. 6 into 54 goes 9. W over 3 equals 9. That's actually division, so the inverse of division is multiplication, so we multiply both sides by 3, which we've done here, so we make that 3 over 1, so it looks like a fraction. The 3's can cancel, and 9 3's are 27, so W equals 27. H over 8 minus 7 equals 2. That's a minus sign, so we add 7 to both sides, which we've done there and there. That keeps the equation balanced. The left-hand side simplifies to h over 8, and the right-hand side is 9. Multiply both sides by 8 because multiplication is the inverse operation of division. So we've done that here. That's there and there. The 8's cancel. It gives you h on the left-hand side, and 9 8's are 72. So in this video, we've seen how to solve algebraic sentences, which are also called equations. The important thing to realize that in algebraic sentences or in equations, you have to keep the equation balanced. So whatever operation you perform on the left-hand side, you must perform on the right-hand side, and you keep going until you arrive at the pronumeral, which is on the left-hand side by itself, like here for example. The pronumeral is by itself, and that always gives you the answer.